Good evening to everybody. This is your Thiranvalar YouTube channel. I am Francisco Anthony. Today we are going to see 10th standard science, particularly the very important 2-mark question. From Unit 12, the title is Plant Anatomy and Plant Physiology. The expected question is Oxysomes. So very often they ask this question. So this question they asked 3 ways. One way they ask define oxysome or what is oxysome. The second question, draw the structure of oxysome and label all the parts. The third one, they will give the diagram, the question paper, and they ask you to draw the diagram and label the parts. These are the way they ask this oxysome questions for 2 marks. So regarding first one, define oxysomes. So before going to give that answer, so I am giving a few explanation about the mitochondria. So you have to write 2 or 3 points. 3 points is much enough for 2 marks. So you know mitochondria that is present inside the cell. It is a cellular organelle. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. That is a different point. But this mitochondria, which is made up of 2 membrane, one membrane is called outer membrane and another one membrane is called inner membrane. So when you focus this inner membrane, there is regularly spaced, there is a tennis racket like structure. That tennis racket like structure is called oxysomes. So when we focus, when we enlarge this, the finger like structure, that time you will see a picture like this when you enlarge this. So one point, the oxysomes that are present inside the mitochondria, particularly inner membrane, and second point, this oxysomes which are having the 3 level structure. The first, there is a head-like structure and another one is a long stalk body and another one is base. So the first head-like structure is F1, that is head. Then there is a long body-like structure is called stalk and the base is called the F4, that is base. This F1 particles. So that is the first point. Then this oxysomes, which is having very important use, this oxysome is used to prepare ATP, that means adenosine triphosphate, that means energy substance in the cell. So this is the answer for first question, define or what is oxysomes. The second question, draw the structure and label the parts of oxysome. No problem. Directly you draw this structure and label all these parts. Third question, they have given the diagram, outline structure. You have to draw and label the parts. Okay, again you draw the diagram and label all these 3 parts. They will give 2 marks. So if you write like this, you will get 2 marks very easily. So you select when there is a question like oxysome, select it and write it. Thank you very much. We will see the next video.